The live query will just see that your database updated, it will rerun the query, and then that triggers the UI table source to update the table view. So your app just works. It brings in new changes, and they show up in the table view immediately when they happen. So here's how we do the monitoring. In the previous slide, excuse me, the previous source code slide, we just used N's notification center to register an observer. Here's that observer method. So the underscore pull and underscore push are the instance variables we have that are the pull and push notifications. So first we check to see whether either one of them is in the active state, which means it's actively doing stuff. If either one of them is active, then we want to work out a rough indication of progress. So we look at the completed changes count from both of them, which are sort of how many things they have synced so far, and also the changes count, which is the total number of things that they currently believe they need to sync. And we just add them up for the pull and push and divide them to get a fractional indication of what kind of progress we've made. This is not super accurate. Because of the way replication works and because of the optimizations that it doesn't always know in advance how many things there are to copy over. So if you're like actually watching this progress meter, it does tend to jiggle a bit, but it does provide a good indication of the property. And so here we have this UI progress view and that progress instance variable, and we just update it to show the current fractional progress. Otherwise, if neither of the replications is in the active state, that means the sync is idle. And in the grocery sync app, what happens there is we call this show sync button method, which simply hides the progress indicator and instead shows a button that can be used to configure